Hi guys, my name is Maria. I'm from Syria. This is my second time I share on OneWorld Festival. Today I'm gonna share chicken shawarma. This is popular in Syria. You might know. I'm sharing this recipe because I like to share my culture and my food. And let's start. To mix the shawarma, spices, and mix them together in a jar. I will tell you what I put in it. 1 teaspoon of black pepper and white pepper and salt, cardamom and ginger powder, cloves powder and coriander powder. Mix well and store for next time. After we make the shawarma spices, we cut the chicken. I like to use chicken breast. I like to cut long and small. So like this. The chicken is cut. Now we have to marinate for 3 to 24 hours. More is good. So I will tell you what's in it. Half a cup plain yogurt, 20 tablespoon lemon juice, fresh, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon shawarma spices, 2 cloves garlic, mix together and marinate in a fridge. Now our chicken is marinated. We are going to cook it. We add 2 tablespoons of oil to your frying pan. And then now we add the chicken we marinate already. And I'm going to add the chicken I cut already. And cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. While the chicken shawarma is cooking, I will make side dish. I will show you the ingredient. We have mayonnaise and pickled cucumber, tomato and cucumber and carrots. And also I have red pepper pesto and pomegranate molasses. And also you have to check 2 minutes, every 2 minutes, you have to stir the chicken. Oh, it smells so good. Every restaurant in Syria has side dish. When you eat shawarma, they put side dish with it. So it has tomato and cucumber and carrots and pickles and mayonnaise. The first step, I will cut the tomato. In Syria, any restaurant you go there, you will eat this the side dish. It's yummy beside the shawarma because it's like you can dip the sandwich with mayonnaise and it's delicious. And I just need half a cucumber and half tomato and half a carrots. It's almost ready. So, back to side dish. Now, get some pickles. I'm done. I like the cucumber like this, but I will show you how to cut it in different way. See how beautiful it is. I can't wait to eat it. Our shawarma is ready now, so I have to put it in a dish. I'm taking the chicken without the oil because I use the oil after when I make the sandwich. So, this is the chicken. Start making the sandwich. I need mayonnaise first. And then chicken. I will show you 2 ways how to make sandwich shawarma chicken. So after I make the sandwich, I do like this and leave it. And another sandwich. Mayonnaise. And red pepper, just a little bit because it's so hot and some people doesn't like spicy. So if you like spicy, it will be better for you. First, and now this is pomegranate molasses. Some people like with pomegranate molasses, some people not. You can choose which one. So, and then you roll it. Like this. And also I will show you another way. You can do like this. So I put it here because some people have this. So if you have this, it will be good. Like you can use this to make it grilled, and also you can put it here with the oil and press it with something. So I have this one. I will put the sandwich here and here because so much oil. I just need a little bit of oil just for a sandwich. Now I will brush the sandwich with the oil. Like this. Now I will just take the stuff, and I will leave it for next time, or I can eat it like dipping the sandwich. Because I just need the oil for the sandwich. I think the other shawarma is ready. So take it. And now I will show you 2 ways how to serve the shawarma. So you can cut it, and you know how it's ready when you see gold and brown. So you can serve like this, or like you can serve like this. With the shawarma, you can have it like this, or you can eat it with the French fries and Pepsi diet. Thank you for joining me to cook chicken shawarma. If you like Syrian food, there is more recipe in this cookbook, Helpful Hand Kitchen Easy World Recipes. Thank you.